Hello guys, welcome to Edukartik, and today we are going to start with 11.4 last part. This is going to be our last video of this chapter, which is surface area and volume. Okay, so first of all, in this question, it is given that there is a building with a dome over it. The dome is of hemisphere. Obviously, the dome cannot be sphere. Okay, so either it would be hemispherical or it would be conical. Here it is hemispherical. So it is given that we have whitewashed it from inside. Okay, not from above, but from inside. Like people went from here and washed inside, whitewashed. Okay, means they have painted from white color. Okay. Now, it is given that the total cost which the building owner had to pay was rupees 4,989.60. Okay, and like the cost per meter square was rupees 20. So we have to find out the inner surface area and volume. So first of all, in first part, what we do? See, like the cost equals to surface area multiplied by rupees 20, because surface area will be in meter square and per meter square is 20. So surface area is 2 pi r square. 2 into 2 4 means 40 pi r square rupees. Okay, now what we have to find out? We have to find out the like inner surface area. So 40 pi r square equals to 4989.60. Okay, so like what would it be? We like just solve this. 22 r square equals to 4989.6 multiplied by 7 divided by 40 into 22. Okay, so when we solve this, we get r square as 39.69. Okay, so the r radius will be root of 39.69. Okay, so radius will be 6.3 meters. Okay, now we have to find out the surface area. Surface area is 4 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Surface area equals to 2 pi r square. Okay, 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 into 6.3. This would be cancelled by 0.9. So 6.3 into 0.9. So this would be 1.8. And like we have to solve this. So like when we solve this, we will get an answer which will be 249.48. 249.48 meter square. Okay, this would be our answer of the first part. Now we solve the second part, which is volume, equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3, 22 by 7, 6.3, 6.3, 6.3. Like 7 3 times 21, 3 times 6.3. So it would be 0.3. 22 into 2, or you can say into 0.6 into 6.3 into 6.3. Okay, now when we further solve this, we get the answer as 523.9 523.9 meter square. 523.9 meter square. Now we will come wait, meter cube. It would be meter cube. Why? Because that is the volume. Now we will continue with the next question. Now in the next question, it is given that there is a there are 27 spherical balls. They are melted and then one sphere is formed. Okay, like 27 spheres are melted and one sphere is formed. Their surface areas are now the new sphere which is formed, its surface area is S dash, and the previous one surface area is S. Now the radius of old spheres is R. Okay, so of new sphere will be R dash. It is given in the question. Otherwise, we would have taken R. Okay, big R. Now we know that. See, 27 cubes are melted and then one cube is formed. So we should know that the volume of them will be same. 27 pi R cube equals to 27 into 4 by 3. 4 by 3 pi R cube equals to 4 by 3 pi R dash cube. Okay, R dash cube. So 4 by 3 cancel, pi cancel. Now 27 R cube equals to R dash cube. So when we remove this, we have to put cube root over here. So 27 is the cube of 3 and R cube is the cube of R. 3R equals to R dash. We have got the value of R dash. Now this will be answer of first one. Okay. Now ratio of surface area of S dash and S. So S dash is the new one. S dash and S. No, it would be S and S dash. S and S dash. Okay. S is to S dash, which will be 4 pi R square is to 4 pi R dash square. Now R dash is 3R. So 4 pi R square ratio 4 pi 3R square. R square, now these both will be cancelled. So R square is to 9R square. R square cancel. 1 is to 1 ratio 9 will be the answer. Okay, if it would have asked the fraction, then you would have written 1 by 9, or else 1 is to 9. Both are same. Okay, if ratio is asked, then this one. If fraction is asked, then you will write this one. Now let's come to next question. Now in our last question of the video, it is given that there is a spherical capsule. Okay, it is usually of blue and red color, so I have made it. Now here we have to find out the amount of medicine required to fill this capsule. Okay, now see, since it had to be filled from inside, we will surely find out the volume of capsule equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi. Now what is radius? Radius is 3.5 by 2 mm. Pi will be 22 by 7 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 by 2 by 2 by 2. So 2 11 times 2 to 4 cancel. Okay. So we have left with 11 into 35. I mean 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 divided by 3. Now 7 it will be cancelled 2 times. I mean 0.5. So this would be 0.5. Okay. 7 5s are 35. It would be 0.5. Now 3.5 into 11 and into 0.5 into 3.5, we will get the answer as like 22.46 mm cube. Okay, 22.46 mm cube. Now this total chapter is finished, including this exercise. Now we will meet each other in my next video, which will be on the topic statistics. It is very interesting chapter and theory based also. Okay, so you don't have to solve anything like this. Okay, so bye bye and meet in the next video.